Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga, and today we will learn how to do Ananda Balasana or the Happy Child's Pose. Before we begin, if you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Ideally, we begin Ananda Balasana by lying down on our back in Shavasana position. Lie down on your back. Keep your body straight, hands by the side. Look straight up at the ceiling. Make sure your entire body is in a straight line. Now slowly fold your knees up. Lift your feet up. Take your hands between your knees and grab your toes. Once you're ready here, slowly spread your legs apart. You don't have to straighten your knees here, the knees are bent. Once you're comfortable here, you can slowly move your hands and hold your heels or the feet instead. That is the next step in the asana. Keep breathing. Once you're done with 5 breaths, slowly bring your legs together, bring your hands down, drop your feet down, stretch your legs and relax. Ananda Balasana is a very relaxing pose. It says in the name itself, Ananda means happiness. So you can practice this asana when you are stressed out or in some kind of anxiety. This asana also helps in getting relief from period cramps, the menstrual cramps. It helps in digestion and as well as releasing the unwanted gas in the body. I hope you found this video informative. If you want to get in touch with me, check the links below. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Happy practice. Namaste.